Parts of the UK could reach the highest level of air pollution on Friday, prompting health warnings. Warm, still conditions are expected to combine with traffic fumes, pollution from the continent and Saharan dust from the south as it rises to level 10. Much of the southeast and eastern England will see high levels of pollution, although the problem is expected to be short-lived. Defra said overnight Atlantic winds will disperse polluted air by Saturday. In areas experiencing very high levels of air pollution, adults and children with lung problems, adults with heart problems and older people are advised to avoid strenuous activity. People are also advised to reduce physical exertion, particularly outside, and asthma sufferers may need to use their reliever inhaler more often. People are also advised to avoid busy roads and those who carry a reliever inhaler should always have it with them. Dr. Penny Woods, chief executive of the British Lung Foundation, said, "This latest high air pollution episode, coming so soon after the last, is troubling, and could again put people living with respiratory conditions at risk of worsening symptoms." National embarrassment. A Defra spokeswoman said, "This is expected to clear on Saturday and pollution levels will return to low throughout the morning." Professor Paul Monks, chairman of the Air Quality Expert Group, said air pollution is not taken seriously enough because it is an invisible menace. If they can't see it, they often don't think about it, he said. Professor Monks said the levels of air pollution had reduced since the 1990s, but warned that the levels that remain are a persistent problem. "This episode at the moment is one of about a dozen episodes a year," said Simon Burkett, founder of campaign group Clean Air in London. Day in day out the average levels of nitrogen dioxide on many roads in central London will tend on average to be the highest in the world. "Dust events like this are not uncommon in the UK, said Stephen Godby, a geographer at Nottingham Trent University. "We witnessed one, in parts of the country a year ago under similar synoptic conditions." A case brought by environmental lawyers Client Earth against the government over levels of air pollution that breach European Union rules is shortly to return to the Supreme Court. Philip Ansal, Director of Health for cycling charity Sustrans, described the state of air pollution in Britain as criminal and a national embarrassment. He said, "The next government will need to get a grip on air pollution. That will mean serious, dedicated investment and an effective program of action to help more people out of their cars and choosing walking and cycling for short journeys." European Union rules set limits on the levels of pollutants in the air such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and lead.